In this video, I'll show you how I build and sell 5,000 AI websites to local businesses in the fastest way possible. And I'm going to show you the 3 best ways to close clients fast even when you are a complete beginner. And before talking about all the strategies and how to close clients, these are all of my agency clients who are paying me in a monthly recurring revenue. So I close the clients with $997 or $1,997 setup fees and $97 to $497 hosting fees. And along with this, I have 88 monthly recurring revenue clients, which is bringing in $16,000 or 12,000 pounds in monthly recurring revenue. And this is the exact business that helped me to quit all of my jobs where I was cleaning toilets, mopping floors, and cleaning dirty plates to traveling full-time in Southeast Asia with my online money. The business model is simple. I look for businesses who don't have a website or they have an outdated website. And during the outreach, I usually mention, I saw that you guys don't have a website, and I went ahead and built you a website. Even before asking for money, I'll mention that I've already built you a website. Let me know if you have 5 to 10 minutes to have a hop on a quick call, and I will show you the website. And if you like it, we can start working together. And that's how we sell the website for $1,000, and we sell the monthly subscription or the hosting fees anywhere from $97, $297, or $497 a month in a monthly recurring revenue. But first, we're gonna see the 3 best outreach strategy, which I'm personally using myself to bring in lots of booked meetings and clients. And I'm also teaching this exact strategy to my coaching members who are getting results like these. For example, Epic Website sold his first website for $750 and the 97 hosting fees in his first week. And again, Francis on his first week, first client in first week, $997 plus $197 in monthly recurring revenue. So this business model is not just working for me, it's also working for you guys who don't even have enough experience on building the website or doing the outreach or doing the sales calls. First up, we're gonna see the best outreach strategies if you wanna get your first client by today is cold calling. So the best thing you have to do is go inside Google and search for your niche and the location. For example, let's check plumbing in London. Yeah. And when you look at it, so these are all the businesses, they have a website on their Google My Business page. And when you scroll all the way down, and for example, let's see, Smith Plumbing and Heating, and they don't have their website. And the fact that they have 80 reviews, which means they have money to spend for their business. And they have their own mobile number. This is not a landline, so it's not a gatekeeper. So you can just call this exact number and pitch your services, and you are gonna pitch your exact service to your potential client rather than your gatekeeper. So this is the best option, and this is the easiest and simplest option if you wanna get some clients today. But again, cold calling is stressful, and if you don't know what you're doing, and if you couldn't answer all the questions, and if you don't know how to sound like a human, yes, nowadays AI sounds more human than people who are trying to do their cold calling for the first time. So it's going to take a lot of time and effort to learn how to do the cold calling and learn the skill of sales during the cold call. And inside the cold call, we are not going to sell the website. That's the thing you have to keep in mind. Inside the cold call, we are going to sell the meeting. And inside the meeting, we will sell the services. And this is exactly what you're gonna do. You're gonna go inside Google, you're gonna search your niche and the location you're gonna target, and look for businesses who don't have this website logo on their Google My Business page. Take their phone number, give them a call, and ask, is this Smithy's Plumbing? They'll be saying, yes. I was looking into your Google My Business page, I couldn't find a website. Do you guys have a website? He's probably gonna say, no, we don't. We're thinking about getting the website. And that's when you're gonna pitch. Yes, I've already built you a website. And if you wanna have a look, we can hop on a quick 5 to 10 minutes. And if you don't like the website, it's totally fine. If you do like it, we can start working together. So the script is gonna be like this. I'm not gonna give the exact script here. So if you want to get access to the exact script and the exact presentation which I'll be using inside the meeting to sell my websites, everything you can find it inside my school community, which is link is in the description. Yes, cold calling is a bit stressful, but if you don't want to do cold calling but you still want to get clients, we have two other options, which is Facebook group outreach and Instagram DMs. We have the entire strategies with step-by-step process inside our community. For example, if you go inside this 297 bonuses, inside the free offer flywheel, we have this Facebook group outreach. I'm pretty sure I had to blur most of the stuff I'm gonna show you right now because I don't want to ruin my own business. And we have the calendar booking, and this is the closing script on the investments page. So this is where we actually show them how much money it's going to cost, and this is where we get our payment on inside our first call. We're not going to wait for the second call or the third call. We're going to do the outreach. We're going to bring them inside the sales. And inside the sales call, the first meeting, we're going to close them and we're going to get the first payment on the first call. And when you scroll further, there's the Instagram outreach. And inside this Instagram outreach, we have a script which is going to help you to find all the Instagram account of the businesses who don't have any website. And after getting the list of business, let me just show you what it means. So I'm going to copy this and I'll go inside Google and I'll paste this exact command which I took from inside my school community, and it will ask two things, the niche and the city. For the niche, again, let's go with plumbing, and the city is gonna be again London. And once it's typed up, click enter. And this is where you get all these lists of Instagram. And even if you go on the 10th page, you will still get Instagram accounts of businesses who don't have a website. If you don't believe me, let me show you what I mean by this. For example, let's click on the first Instagram ID, and this is K London Plumbing. And when you, as you can see, this company don't have their website link on their Instagram. So this command is gonna find all these Instagram accounts which you can find and do the outreach and get those clients. And you don't just get the scripts, you also get the funnel which I'm using to bring in more booked meetings and all the automations on the back end to increase my show up rate of the client. And you will have all the sales call I've recorded with my actual clients, and you will also have all of my cold calling, so you can have a look at all those videos and practice your objection handling. You'll be like, clients will throw all their objection towards you, and you have to know how to answer those questions and how to close those clients even after going through all those objections. And as you can see in the share your wins section, like we mentioned, Epic Website sold their first website for $750 2 days ago, and 5 days ago Francis closed the $997 plus $197 client. And 15 days ago, Andre closed 5.7 thousand with this exact strategy. And if you want to get access to this community, the link is in the description. So now we have seen the business model and how to look for businesses who don't have a website and how to pitch your services to them and how to book a meeting with them. And once you have booked a meeting, before going inside the meeting, we have promised that we have already built them a website. So inside the meeting, we have to show them their website. And you can literally use any of the software, but for me especially, I use Go High Level. The reason why I mentioned I charge $97, $297 and $497 in hosting fee, clients are not going to pay $497 for no reason. We need to give them a system which is going to bring them more customers and bring them more money. The more money you make to your clients, the more money you can make from your clients. So this is what I usually do after booking a meeting with the client. For example, let's say I booked a roofing client, and all I do is click the new website, click from templates and click continue. And just go inside the search section and search for roofing. And this is one of the website I personally use to sell to my clients, because it is one of the good looking website. It's not just about the looks. The build is top notch, and you can actually see this website can be sold for like anywhere from 2,000 to 5,000. Agency will charge this amount of money to their roofing clients. And the only thing you have to do is take this template and you're gonna change the logo. For that, we're gonna go inside Canva, search for roofing logo and click enter. And voila, there you go. You can pick literally any of the logo over here. For example, let's click on the first logo. I'm pretty sure the client you have booked a meeting with, probably he has a business name. So you're just gonna replace the business name and you're gonna download this logo without the background and go inside the website and just slap that logo on the website. And inside the meeting, you're gonna make use of the slide which you're gonna get inside the community, which is the closing script. We're gonna walk them through everything they're gonna get. And before asking for the price, we're gonna show this website, and once they're happy with what they've seen, we're gonna show the pricing. So they need to know what they're paying for. Unlike other web designers, they just want the money up front even before showing what they're gonna get in exchange of the money. But for us, we have already built the website and we are showing them the website, what they're gonna get even before asking for money. So they will trust us more and they actually know what they're gonna get. And after this, when you go inside the investment page and ask for money for like $1,000 for the one page website, or like 2,000 or 3,000, when you upsell them for a five page or 10 page website, it makes sense now because they know what they're paying for. And yeah, you can upsell them, or if you're a beginner, you can just go with the first price and let them know this is going to be the hosting fees for the 97 is just the hosting fee. And anywhere after that, if you want to upsell them for a 297 or the 497, you have to show all the things we are going to sell inside our services. For example, we can sell the missed call text pack, our CRM, the Go High Level CRM. And yes, if you want a Go High Level for your own business, I'll leave a link in the description for 30-day free trial. You can make use of it and sell this service to your clients. So we can sell missed call text back, and we can sell reputation management, and we can sell AI chatbot on their website. And literally we have lots of other stuff we can upsell within the Go High Level services. And only because of this Go High Level, I have all those clients who are paying me in a monthly recurring revenue. That's the best thing about our business model. You're not just getting the setup fees, you're also stacking the monthly recurring revenue clients. And that's the only reason I'm able to travel for the whole month last month. I didn't get any clients, but I still managed to make that amount of money because I closed those 80 clients before going on that trip. And even if I go to another trip the next month, I don't have to worry about the clients because I already have clients who are paying me the hosting fees, which is gonna be there for a long term. So once you have outreached the client and booked a meeting and had this website and changed the logo and showed them inside the meeting and got your first payment on the call, yes, don't let your client leave the meeting. Once they are out, 99.9% you have wasted money. You're not gonna get that money again. So inside the meeting, you're gonna send the link inside either by SMS Messenger or inside the meeting chat. And only after getting the payment, you will start working on the site. And after getting the payment, you can ask your clients what you want me to change on the website. So it's going to make your life more easier. Because once you have the list of things your clients want you to change inside the website, it's not going to be a huge thing. It's going to be like, for example, I have my own images. Can you replace this image instead of this placeholder? That's it. Or I have the color theme, instead of orange, can you pick blue? That's going to be the simplest thing you have to change. And once you've gotten all the list of things you want to change, what you can do is you can get the screenshot of this entire website. For example, let's see. And in order to take the full screenshot of the site, I have a plugin called go full page. If you click on the go full page, it will scroll down the entire page and take the screenshot. And you're going to put that screenshot along with the data we have collected from our clients inside the meeting, and we will let ChatGPT to do the work. Like if they want to change the description, the name, the title, we can just let go ChatGPT to do the thing, and we're just going to copy and paste. That's it. And once we have done doing the copy and paste, for example, you would have got the first 50% upfront, 500, and the next piece, the 50% on completion. And in the second meeting, you're going to show the fully completed website, and you're going to get the second 50%. And guess what? Your clients are going to be happy because they asked for this exact change and they got this exact change on their website. And now they're happy. You got the second 50% and the hosting fee. And now the actual work starts. You have to connect the domain name. And if you have upsell to the 297 or the 497, where you have to have all the phone number, email verification, the mixed call text back, the backend automation, the reputation management, you have to do all these things on the backend. And that's where Go High Level comes in clutch. For example, when you go on the Start Zoom, you can actually ask one of the Go High Level experts to set everything for you. So as you can see, that's how simple it is. I'm not saying that it's easy, but it's simple. Compared to all the other businesses I have done personally, this is the most simplest business. You can just keep on stacking clients and make more money. Unlike other businesses, you do have to spend a lot of money upfront and spend a lot of time upfront to learn all these things. With this, you don't have to learn anything. You're just taking a template, using the Canva to change the name, which even a 5-year-old kid can do it. And that's it. And all the backend automation, which may seem tricky, which you can learn, by the way, but you don't have to do everything by yourself. You can let the Go High Level expert do it for you. That's all you need to know. And the tricky stuff is the outreach, the getting client part. That's where all of you guys are struggling. And I've been getting lots of DMs and comments on my YouTube, specifically asking for help in outreach. The main reason I'm not showing my outreach to everyone is that I don't want to ruin my own business. And you should know that no one's going to show their actual business strategy, which is working for them. But I can help some of you guys. If you want to get access to everything which I'm using inside my business personally, you can get access to everything inside my school community. Or if you want my personal help setting up everything for you and work closely one by one, I can help you set up everything from scratch, and I can show everything which actually helps you to get clients in just few days. Yes, all of my coaching members are getting their first clients in their first day or their first week. If you want those personalized help, I do have an onboarding call, which is the first link in the description. Click the link, book your onboarding call, and if I can feel like I can help you, we can start working together and you will get your first client on your first week. I can guarantee you that. And I hope you got some value out of this video, and I will see you guys in another next video. Peace.